Today, I'm going to show you how to add sample packs to FL Studio 21 so you can expand your library of sounds and unleash your creativity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to find a sound pack that you want to import. For this tutorial, I'll be visiting the website Cymatics and downloading a free starter pack. Now open up File Explorer and navigate to this PC. Now select any of your drives to save the sample packs. I will save it in the FL Studio folder. Now, create a folder named Sample Packs. Now create a folder for the downloaded sample pack to keep things organized. You can name it anything you want. Once your folder is ready, simply paste the downloaded sample pack into the folder that you have just created. If your sound pack is compressed, like a zip file, make sure to extract it first by right-clicking and selecting Extract Here. Once you've done all these steps, it's time to open up FL Studio. In FL Studio, click on Options in the top menu, then select File Settings. Here, you'll find the folders where FL Studio is currently storing your sounds. Now, simply click on this folder icon and navigate to the folder which you have just created. Great! Now that we've added the sample folder, it's time to restart FL Studio. Once FL Studio is restarted, you should see your newly added sample pack listed there. And there you have it. You've successfully added a sample pack to FL Studio 21, giving yourself access to a whole new world of sounds to explore and incorporate into your music production projects. Now you're ready to unleash your creativity and take your music to the next level with your expanded library of samples. Happy producing!